Today the GDP came out, and for the second quarter the GDP was negative 0.9%. Real gross domestic product GDP decreased at an annual rate of 0.9% in the second quarter of 2022, following a decrease of 1.6% in the first quarter. The smaller decrease in the second quarter primarily reflected an upturn in exports and a smaller decrease in the federal government spending. We need a slowdown. Yellen defends GDP data, says economy is not in recession. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen says the U.S. economy isn't in recession despite Thursday's GDP report that showed growth declined for the second straight quarter. This report indicates an economy that is transitioning towards more stable, sustainable growth, Yellen said. Clearly, we are not seeing a slowing in the economy and in demand that's appropriate if necessary to transition from rapid growth and recovery. We need to see a slowdown, and we are seeing that. Yellen said the last quarter showed a significant slowdown in the pace of spending in the economy, pointing to a fiscal drag with government spending subtracting from growth. The secretary highlighted consumer spending that remained positive, though this data, too, show signs of a slowdown. And then poor Cathie Wood can't catch a break because today, or was it today? Yesterday, Cathie Wood dumps 1.4 million Coinbase shares after SEC probe. Also ripped my Apple puts. Roku stock plunges 28% on weak outlook, misses at top and bottom lines. And then after hours, Roku fell super hard to 63.34. Apple reports record revenue of $83 billion amid high inflation. Apple released its Q3 earnings on Thursday, beating analysts' expectations with record revenue of $83 billion despite fears of rising inflation. After hours, they rose to 3%. Not bad. My puts went to shit.
They ask you how you are.
Amazon stock soars nearly 12% after revenue beats expectations. Amazon reported its financial results after the closing bell on Thursday, beating analysts' expectations on revenue. The stock soared 12% higher in after-hours trading. And then after hours, they were up huge, which is really nice because I was actually in Amazon like a week ago, but I only made like $50 and that's it.
FBI, open up!
Is there anything else you want to say, Hello Kitty?